Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is an exciting one. I'm going to share all of my accessories and how I use my iPad Pro. So let's go straight on to the video. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the model of my iPad. So I have the iPad 11-inch from 2020. I bought it a few months ago and I have been loving it. It's so good, it's perfect. It has the two cameras on the back and for me it's the perfect size. So I have used a few different cases for the iPad, but the one that I'm using today is this green one. Very pretty. You can actually stand up the iPad like this. It has a pencil holder for your Apple Pencil, and it is like a silicone rubber material. It's very good. I really like it, and the color is so perfect. I am in love with this green. So this is from Amazon. I will link the case down below if you want to purchase it. And also I have two other cases that I have used. The first one that I have right here is a kind of rose gold case. It has a hardcover on the back for the iPad and a sleeve that you can shut in the back. And this one does not have a pencil holder, but actually if you put the Apple Pencil on the side, it will close perfectly. So I have used this quite a bit. That is why it's kind of used. And the other case that I have is this magnetic one that basically the iPad just sticks to the back, and it has a sleeve that you just shut, and that is and you can also make the iPad like stand like this. It's very good. But the only thing that I do not like about this one is that it doesn't cover the sides of the iPad in case you drop it or in case it scratches with anything. That is the only thing that I do not like about this. But overall, I think like the best case that I have purchased is the green one. So I will link everything down below for you if you want to purchase anything that I'm talking about. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is my Apple Pencil. I have the 2nd generation, and this is what it looks like. And I also have this kind of like sleeve for the pencil, and basically you just insert the pencil. Basically it's kind of like a sleeve for the Apple Pencil, and I actually always use it and I really like it because it kind of makes it easier to write if you take notes on the iPad and it's also very affordable if you want to go and purchase one for your Apple Pencil. So the screen protector on my iPad, it's kind of like the paper feel type of screen protector. I know some people don't like to use this screen protector, but in my opinion it is very good for writing and taking notes, and I have been really liking it so far. I know there's a brand called like Paperlike, but this is not from Paperlike. This is from a brand that I found in Amazon, so I will link it down below. And the last accessory that I want to talk about is this amazing and beautiful keyboard that I recently bought from Amazon. Is from the brand Logitech, and it's the model K380, and I completely fell in love with this keyboard. If you want to know how it works, it actually works with batteries, so it's very simple to use. You do not have to recharge it, so that is something that I really like. And it also comes with its own batteries, so you do not have to buy the batteries separately. So basically this is a keyboard that works with Bluetooth, and you can connect it to your iPad or to other two devices. So it has 3 spaces for your devices. So the number 1, I have it for my iPad, and the number 2, I have it for my iPhone. So actually I can use the keyboard for my iPhone as well. You need to get used to like the smaller size keyboard, because normally the computers or larger keyboards have more space, but it's not that difficult. You can just get used to it, and it's very, very helpful for people who don't have a computer or people who like to take notes on their iPad like myself. So I really use this to take notes on my iPad. I use it with GoodNotes sometimes, with the Notes app on the iPad, and also with Notion. I also use it sometimes when I want to watch like YouTube videos, because I have to type like the videos that I want to watch and all of that. I also use it when I use Procreate sometimes. I do titles sometimes for my thumbnails or for pictures in general. So now to the part on how I actually use my iPad. So basically I'm going to show you what a typical day of me using my iPad looks like. And the first thing that I do in the morning is go to GoodNotes and start journaling for the day. I have talked about this in so many videos now, but if you haven't seen my other videos, so basically what I do is I practice the law of attraction, and I have different notebooks on GoodNotes that I use to write and to type up different things. So for example, I have my positive affirmations notebook, my gratitude journal, my goals journal, dream journal, and scripting journal. So these are all things that you can do. I like to do them all, and it has actually helped me so much with my mental health and just staying positive and just happy about life in general. And I really like it because I start my day off right and in a good mood. So this is the first thing that I do in the morning. After I finish with GoodNotes, I usually go to Notion and I look for my YouTube calendar for December. That is the calendar that I use to plan out every video of the month. So basically, yeah, I have been doing videos every single day. So for example, I have the calendar right here, and I just look at the video that I'm going to film that day and just plan it out, and practically just plan out a to-do list of the video, the things that I have to do before starting the video. Then after I have my video organized for the day, what I like to do is make a to-do list for the day. So I actually do my to-do list on Procreate. I think it's easier. I love Procreate, and it has a lot of things that you can do. Yeah, so basically that's what I do. I write the things that I have to do for that day. Okay, so another thing that I do with my iPad, mostly every day, because I edit my videos every day now for December. I edit parts of my videos in my iPad, and yeah, that is another thing that I like to do. So I also use my iPad for homework. So if I need to type anything up or just make a summary of something, a book, an article, a lecture, anything, I do it with Notion, and basically I just start typing. I use my Logitech keyboard. So guys, this is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some new accessories that you can purchase for your iPad. And also, if you like it, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up and comment, because that helps me grow so much and I would really appreciate it. And I love talking to you guys in the comments. And I really appreciate every single one of you that comments on my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!